So right now I'm gonna show you one of my talent is to make animal sound. Animal number one, cats. Animal number two, chicken or chicks. Animal number three, Alvin and the Chipmunk. Okay, technically chipmunks. Have you ever watched the movie Alvin and the Chipmunk? So here's how they sing. Lady, Beyonce, single lady. I'm a single lady, I'm a single lady, I'm a single lady, I'm a single lady. If you like nature, better read me. If you like nature, better read me. If you like nature, better read me. Next, pig. Wow. Next animal, dogs. Boo, 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 boo. Next animal is a goat. Well, I don't have the goat thingy stickers, so I just put these stickers instead. Meh, 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 meh. Let's continue then. Animal number, I've lost my counting. Next is a cow. Moo. Moo. What else should I do? A crow. That black bird crow. Gah, 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 gah. Next bird is a dove. Burung tukukur. Kukur. What else should I do? Ducks. Ite. I'm getting tired. So ducks, huh? Quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. So, can you guess the next animal? It's the nearest species to human. Monkeys. Is that right? So, the last animal for tonight, an owl.